Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It's time to open December's AKIBENTO box. I am super excited. And we have, let's see, a plushie. Let's take him out. So we have a plushie from Naruto. I haven't watched Naruto, so I don't know this character, but I like the plushie. Then we have, One Punch Man. We have Saitama, Pocket Pop keychain. That's cool. And then we have, let's see, we have this card holder. I don't know the series of what it is, but I think that's a cool, it's really long. And then we have the t-shirt. Neon colors. So we have this kind of an image in the t-shirt this month. I think this is super cool. Let's put Saitama up. And then we have No Game No Life pins. Cool. And then AKIBENTO exclusive item. Oh, it's an apron! You can actually see it better from here. So we got an apron, C-Class Hero apron. Let's see what other No Game No Life pins. Sword Art Online was the key holder. Then we have One Punch Man, Naruto Shippuden Gar plushie. And then we have the monthly pin, and this month's theme was Guardian. And then the exclusive t-shirt. So here is everything we got in this month's AKIBENTO box. My definite favorite is the Funko Pop keychain from One Punch Man. That is super awesome. Please like this video if you like AKIBENTO, and if you like my videos, I will see you later. Bye!